Ever found yourself scrolling through endless bank options, wondering if that sleek, online-only bank you keep hearing about actually offers the basics? Like, a simple checking account? I mean, we're talking about the backbone of everyday finances here. Direct deposits, bill payments, maybe even a little cash back. Does Ally, the digital darling, really deliver on this front, or are they all about high-yield savings and CDs? Think about it. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. We want our finances at our fingertips, accessible anytime, anywhere. And when it comes to managing our daily spending, a reliable checking account is non-negotiable. So, when a bank like Ally, known for its competitive rates and user-friendly interface, pops up in the conversation, the question naturally arises, do they actually offer a checking account that fits my needs? We've all been there, haven't we? You're setting up a new budget, trying to streamline your finances, and you stumble upon a bank that seems too good to be true. Maybe it's the high APY on their savings, or the lack of pesky fees. But then, you hit that crucial question, can I actually use this for my day-to-day transactions? Because let's face it, a bank account without checking is like a car without wheels. It might look good, but it's not going anywhere. And let's be real, the banking landscape is a maze. Traditional brick-and-mortar banks, online-only institutions, credit unions, the options are overwhelming. Each one touts its unique features and benefits, making it difficult to discern what truly matters. In the midst of this digital revolution, where convenience and accessibility are paramount, the fundamental question remains, can a modern bank like Ally deliver the essential service of a reliable checking account? We're not just talking about a place to stash your paycheck. We're talking about a tool that empowers you to manage your finances with ease, efficiency, and confidence. A checking account that seamlessly integrates with your lifestyle, allowing you to pay bills, transfer funds, and access your money whenever you need it. So, does Ally rise to the challenge? Let's dive into the specifics. Yes, Ally Bank does offer a checking account, and it's called the Ally Spending Account. It's designed to be a straightforward, no-fuss checking option, catering to the needs of modern consumers. One of the primary draws of the Ally Spending Account is its lack of monthly maintenance fees. That's right, no hidden charges eating away at your balance. In a world where fees seem to lurk around every corner, this is a breath of fresh air. But it's not just about avoiding fees. The Ally Spending Account also comes with a range of features designed to make your life easier. For starters, you get access to a vast network of ATMs through the Allpoint network, which boasts over 55,000 fee-free ATMs across the United States. This means you can access your cash without worrying about those annoying out-of-network ATM fees. And speaking of access, the Ally mobile app is a powerhouse of functionality. You can manage your account, pay bills, transfer funds, and even deposit checks from the comfort of your smartphone. The app is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to stay on top of your finances, even when you're on the go. Another crucial aspect of any checking account is its ability to integrate with digital payment platforms. Ally's spending account seamlessly connects with popular services like Zelle, allowing you to send and receive money with just a few taps. This eliminates the need for cumbersome cash transactions or checks, streamlining the process of transferring funds between friends and family. Now, let's address a common concern: interest. While the Ally spending account doesn't offer the same high APY as their savings accounts, it does offer some interest. While it will not be the same return as a high-yield savings, it is still a benefit to have a checking account earning interest. But what about the nitty-gritty details? How do you actually open an Ally spending account? The process is remarkably simple and can be completed entirely online. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, such as your name, address, and one social security number. Once your application is approved, you can fund your account electronically, and you're ready to go. 1. www.accreditloan.com www.accreditloan.com. And what about customer service? In the digital age, reliable customer support is essential. Ally Bank is known for its responsive and helpful customer service team. You can reach them via phone, email, or live chat, ensuring that you can get the assistance you need whenever you need it. Let's address the elephant in the room. Is Ally's spending account right for everyone? Like any financial product, it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-fee checking account with convenient online and mobile access, Ally is definitely worth considering. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a traditional brick-and-mortar bank, or if you require specialized services that Ally doesn't offer, you might want to explore other options. One thing to consider is that because Ally is an online bank, you will not have access to in-person banking. For some people, this is a deal breaker. For others, the convenience of online banking outweighs the need for physical branches. Another point to consider is that while Ally offers a good ATM network, it might not be as extensive as the networks offered by larger, traditional banks. If you frequently need to withdraw cash, it's worth checking the availability of all-point ATMs in your area. And what about safety and security? In the digital age, security is a paramount concern. Ally Bank employs robust security measures to protect your account and personal information. They use encryption technology, fraud detection systems, and other security protocols to ensure that your money is safe and secure. Furthermore, Ally Bank is FDIC insured, meaning that your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category. This provides peace of mind, knowing that your funds are safe and secure, even in the unlikely event of a bank failure. So, to recap, Ally Bank does indeed offer a checking account, the Ally Spending Account. It's a no-fee, online checking option that comes with a range of features designed to make your life easier, including access to a vast ATM network, a user-friendly mobile app, and seamless integration with digital payment platforms. It's a solid option for those who prioritize convenience, accessibility, and low fees. But, as with any financial decision, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons and determine if it aligns with your individual needs and preferences. Ultimately, the best checking account is the one that fits your lifestyle. If you're comfortable with online banking and value the convenience and cost savings that Ally offers, their spending account could be a great fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.